and from in here. Let's see what if this lightning bolt does to my cat. So excited. You see this lightning bolt? I'm gonna put it on your head. There. Lightning bolt. Oh. Lightning bolt. Yeah. I got you. Here you go. No, don't hurt it. Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. Yeah.